Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a super colorful manicure that also glows under black light. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start applying my base coat to protect my natural nails, and then I'm gonna do a neutral base with Zero Colors chiffon. This color is very subtle and it works great for negative spaces manicures or simply to add that neutral kind of like bare nail look. I really love that color. And before I move to the stamping part, I'm gonna apply sticky base coat, and I'm gonna be working nail by nail on this design just because I'm stamping with regular polishes. So that means that the stamping will be a little bit thinner and it will dry up a little bit faster as well. After I apply the sticky base coat, I'm waiting around a minute and a half, and then I'm stamping these circles of different colors onto my nails. So these are all the colors that I have, or most of the colors that I have from the Zero Colors Vice collection. They release this collection every year and they contain different shades. Sometimes they bring new ones, or they bring back some of the shades from previous years. So here I'm just making a combination and adding these lines as well on top of that, just to give it a little something. So the stamping technique is actually very simple. If you're struggling with stamping negative spaces as this circle, I will link a video in the description below so you can check that out and what technique I use. So don't be afraid if you don't have stamping polishes. There's no need. You could totally use regular polish and just be very careful and work one nail at a time to make sure that you get it right. And to avoid that this design will smudge, I'm applying a smudge-free top coat and I'm finishing with the glossy top coat. I really like it. I think it's very playful, very colorful, very fun for summer or spring. Let me know how you feel about this design in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!